Hello everyone, welcome to the second video on Google Docs. In this video, you will know about how to edit and format a Google document. After creating the Google Doc, the first thing you should do is rename your document. So at the top of the page, click on this untitled document to rename your particular doc. For example, I'm renaming it like this. After renaming that, just click anywhere to save it automatically. So now I'll show you how to customize your document. For example, let me write something here. After that, I'll show the customization of it. Now let me show how can you customize with different options here in Google Doc. So these two I will show after some times, that is undo and redo. So this one is the option of print. If you click here, you'll find this window, and if your printer is set up with your particular device, desktop or laptop, you can print this particular document by clicking on this print. And next option is like the spelling check, spelling and grammar check. So for example, I have written like this. Let me write something like experience. So this actually misspelled. So if you click on this particular document, you will find some suggestions here, or even this option. If you click on this option, you'll find this. And if you click on experience and accept it, it will be changed like this by this particular option, spell checker. And now this is actually paint format. There are three different formats I have used in this particular document. One is this, and there is this one, and another is this one. So if I keep this particular format for this one as well, just click on this particular sentence, click on this paint, and if I select this one, it will be changed like this one. So this one is like copy formatting from any text and apply it to another section of the text. So if I change this particular sentence to like this, just select this one, paint, and if I select this one, so it will be changed like this one. So this is how this paint format works. So this is the zooming option. By default it is 100% there. If I click on the 50%, it will be smaller. If I click on 200%, it will be like this. And let me make it fit one. If you click on the fit, it will be actually fitter for you. Or I can change it to 100% like this. So this is the zooming, and this is the format of your text. So I have given this one the title format. I can change it to subtitle like this. I can change even to heading like this, or even other one like this. So let me keep this to title like this. And this one is the font option. You can change the font from this particular option. If you want to see some more fonts, just click on more font, and you'll find some more options here. For example, I want to use this one. Just click this and OK, and you will see it will be changed like this. Okay, this is the font. This way you can change the font of your particular sentence, or or even the full document. This is the size of your font. You can make it larger or even a smaller one by this. This is the font size. So let me change this font size to 30. So like this. If I change this to 18 like this. So this is the option of bold, making the bold of your particular word or even sentence. If you click on this, it will be like this. All this particular selected option will be bold. If you click on this this italic, it will be changed this to like this. Or even if you click on underline, if you want to make this particular sentence underlined, so click on this one, so it will be underline your full selected text, or even the word or sentence. So from here you can change the text color. if you want to change it to like this, you can change the text color, or even like this you can change any color. Or even if you want to see more color option, just click on this plus button, you'll find this. So from here you can take any of this color. For example, I want to take this color. I can change this font color like this way as well. So this is the highlighter option. If you click on this, I can highlight my text. For example, I want to highlight this like this. So this will highlight this particular selected text or sentence. If you want to change it to the normal way, just click on none. And now let me show you the undo and redo option. If you click on undo, it will take you to the previous steps, and if you click on redo, it will take you to the present stage. So this way this undo and redo works. This is the normal one. And for example, if you want that, if I click on this one, it will take me to docs.google.com. Just copy this one and select this Google Doc, and here is a option called insert link. If you click on insert link, there is two options. One is the text is your selected text, and the link you want to just you want that if anyone click on Google Doc, it will take you to this particular page. Just whatever link you have copied, just paste it here and apply. So if anyone click here, it will take him or her to this page. So now this is the option of commenting, adding comment. If you click on add comment, so if anyone wants to add any comment on this particular document, he or she just simply need to click on this plus button, this add comment section. He or she can add comment on this. If anyone want to add any comment on any particular sentence or any particular word, he or she can add comment by this option as well. Now comes for example, I want to add an image here. So if you click on the image, you will find a lot of 6 options here. One is upload image from your computer. If you click on upload image from your computer, you can upload any image like this. There are more options, like if you click on search on the web, it will take you to Google search, this way, Google image search. If you search anything here, it will for example, let me search this Google. So for example, I'm searching Google Docs. So it will show me some of the images. The best thing is, if you search anything from here, it will show you only the free images, not the images have some copyright issue or so on. So it will show you only the free images, so you can use this image freely. Okay, so this way you can search on the web. You can even upload. If you have any image in your Google Drive, you can upload, and you want to add that particular image to this doc, you can just click on the drive and add this particular image from your Google Drive. Or even you can add the particular image from your Google Photo, or even URL by URL. Or even if you want to add any image, let me show these two, all the 4 alignment. First one is left alignment. If you click on the left alignment, it will be shown like this. If you click on the middle alignment, it will be shown like this. The text, the particular selected text or sentence will be the middle, in the middle. Or even you can click on the right alignment, it will be change it to right. And even if you click on justify, it will be justified like this. This option is the line spacing option. For example, if I select this one, if I click on line spacing, it is showing that it is a single there is single space here. If I click there, it will be a bit larger. Or even if I click on the 1.5, it will be much more larger than before. For example, I have 2 para here. Okay, so if I can't actually distinguish that it is the same para or not, just if I select this, and if we click on the line spacing, let me add space after paragraph. If you click this one, now you can distinguish that there are two paragraph here, or even you can change it to add space before paragraph as well. Okay, now these options are the numbered list. If you click on this, it will be just numbered like this, or even you can change it to just like this drop down menu. You can change it to like this if you want to add the Roman number, or even if you want to do like this, you can change it to any of you can change and use any of these from this option, numbered list. And this one is the bullets list. This one is a numbered and this one is the bullet. If you click on the bullet, you will find this one, and you can change even this to any of this bullet format. Like if I click this one, it will be changed automatically like this. And if you click on as it is working here, you will see that this is marked as blue, and if you click in this option, it will be changed, and now it shows that this section actually are not, you are not using this section. Okay, and this option is like increase the indent. If you click this, it will be like this, and if you click on the decrease indent, it will be like this. By this way, you can use all these options. So in this way, you can use, create and format your Google Docs. So that's it. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.